Hey friends, guess what? It's time to learn how to do the nativity scene, and I've got the downloadable guide for you to see exactly how to do it. This is just one example. I collected these rocks by a frozen river last Christmas, and in Montana, who has the best rocks so far. So easy to do once you know exactly what shapes to make. I'm Patti Rokus with RocksTellStories.com, and I'm making these guides that you can download and learn how to make all of these, and they make wonderful gifts. I mean, as you can imagine, you put a frame on this and maybe a little saying on here, wonderful gift. Okay, let me show you the guide. I have this funny angle of the camera so you could see the rocks and stuff that I'm working on right now. Okay, here's the guide like all the others. I hope you've done the angel guide because now you know how easy that is to do. But you can do this with just 12 rocks. 12, easy, huh? You can make little baby ones, you can make really big ones. And so I show you all the shapes to go find, and then I break it down for you like this. So you just go find a long rock for Joseph, and then 3 triangles and 3 circles. Circles for heads, triangles for the angel and Mary. And I call this a jelly bean rock when they're curved a little bit. That makes for a great manger, but gosh, you could use anything. You could use a triangle, you could use a square, anything. And then another little stick rock for baby Jesus. And once you see it broken down like that, it's a piece of cake. Well, sometimes it takes a few tries because sometimes you don't find all the triangles or the rocks you want the first time you go outside. So you just keep collecting the ones that you see. This little example, I give you lots of examples. This one, these little guys are only this tall. So this is a teeny little manger. I just wanted to show you that you can make them out of pebbles if that's all you have laying around. And then I give you the example from the Christmas book, a couple examples from the Christmas book, and then a few other ones as well. So that you can just see, okay, that is a triangle. Okay, again, that's a tall rock. I see how that's kind of a triangle. Not really, but if you use your imagination, you can see how that is. And how you can make unusual angels. And so it's just fun to see lots of examples. Speaking of which, if you will put your pictures of what you're making on my Facebook page at Rocks Tell Stories, then we can all see what you're doing and we can all learn from each other what we're doing. So I hope you'll just go outside, find some rocks, and share a piece of God's love. It's so easy to do, and it's so rewarding to gift these beautiful pieces of art to each other.